What's up, Mo Vlogs? It's your girl Moelle I. I'm back again with another video. I haven't said that intro in so long, guys. I don't even remember. Did I say it right? Did I say it right? I think I said it right. Okay, so in this video, it's gonna be a get ready with me for my vacation. I'm taking a vacation. I'm not gonna tell y'all just yet, but I'm taking a vacation. We gotta get ready for the vacation. So today, let me tell you what we're about to go do. We're about to get our nails, toes done, and our lashes done. I got my hair done, did not record it. Sorry, but I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. I got some 42-inch faux lash, really cute, really bomb, love them. But yeah, it's currently 11:45. We are already in the car and we're about to go get my lashes done. This is the first time I'm ever getting extensions. I never had them before. People say that it's going to feel irritating at first, but like you'll get over it, so I'm ready for that. I'm also back home. I'm not in New York anymore. I am in DC. I'll let you guys know when we get to the lash tech. Bye. Alright guys, so I currently just made it to my lash tech's appointment. Hi. What's up, guys? So I just finished my last appointment. Check them out. Like I said, this was my first time getting my lashes ever done, like individual extensions, and I really liked them. She said, you know, they'll probably be most irritated my first day, and she's right, but I'm not irritated though. It was kind of hard to open my eyes when she first did it, but like I adjusted and it's okay. And my eyes were kind of red, but it's good. You should just get a beef patty. Okay. So yeah, but now I have an appointment at the nail salon at 4. So we're about to head to my nail and toes, and after that I'm pretty much it, and I think we're gonna go out to eat afterwards, but I really don't know. So yeah, see you guys when I get to my nail tech appointment. Alright guys, so I currently just made it to the nail salon to get my nails and toes did. Update on my lashes. They feel pretty good. They feel comfortable. When I try to close down real tight, like they kind of ache a little bit. I don't know if that's just me. Another update, my entire body is breaking out of nowhere. I have no idea what just happened. I don't know if it's what I ate. I don't know if I was drinking something, but my face, it's just a hot mess. I'm kind of angry about that, but I guess I'll make it work. But yeah, I found some nail inspos. I'll show you guys what I want to get. I want to pretty much do something like that, plain, classy, nude. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And then I think we're gonna go out to eat after this. Alright guys, so I just got out of the nail salon. I'm gonna give y'all a better look at them, but I'm so excited. They're so cute. And I just got plain white toes. Of course, you can't get nothing else. It's the safest bet. Anyway, I'm thirsty again. I think I'm dehydrated. Alright guys, so these are my nails.
Turn left on 2nd Street Northeast.
So basically I got a just plain white. It's actually shimmered in it for my thumb and my pinky. This one is the French tipped. It's a brown, that's a pink, and it's like a peachy nude. You see it, you catch it real good in the sun, but otherwise that it just looks plain. Yeah, I love it a lot. So right now we're about to go get some hot pot. I never had hot pot before and I'm so excited. Oops, my phone just slipped out my hand. The place we are about to go to is called Malaton. It's in Arlington, and you know, y'all gonna see the food or whatever, so I'll show you if it looks good, if it's nasty, if it's bad. I don't think it's gonna be bad. I don't think it's gonna be nasty. Can't go too wrong with hot pot. It's broth, right? I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna get. See you in a little bit. What's up, vlogs? Good morning. It is currently 5:57, so basically 6 o'clock. I'm on the plane right now. I didn't do no recording before or after because it's dumb early in the morning. Don't have time for it. So sorry. The airport was mad crowded today. Like, I don't understand why it was so crowded for no reason. Like, and we have a walk. We'll talk about it later. But we're on the plane. We're about to board. So see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? So we currently just made it off the plane, and now I'm gonna finally tell you where I'm at. Miami, Florida. You better recognize. It is currently 10:26 a.m. We got off the plane. We dropped our bags off, and with a friend that we are staying with, she checked in a day ahead of us, and she was already in a hotel, so we dropped the bags off there. And we are currently at this restaurant on the strip that the hotel was at. It's called The Tavern, and I got a steak benedict, which is basically a McMuffin, egg, steak, and it should be good. We have to check into the Airbnb at 4, but it's 10, so we need to waste time at the strip. But I feel like that's a lot of time to waste, and I feel like we're just gonna be walking around in circles, bro. Like, I don't explain. Alright guys, so my food came. These are some home fried potatoes, steak and egg benedict, thank you. And I got a coffee. I don't even know where to begin. Alright guys, so it's 1 o'clock basically, and after we finished eating, we went back to the hotel and we waited for Maya right here, and we just got some little things for the Airbnb, and right now we're currently about to go back to the hotel to just sit in there and waste our time basically. When we get there, we need to split up like how much. Alright guys, so we are currently now on our way to the Airbnb. It's, what time is it, guys?
8:30.
Yeah, 3:30.
It is.
Work on board.
3:30.
Let's see how we do.
Alright guys, so we are in our Airbnb. Okay, we're in our Airbnb. Y'all already know what that means. Gotta give you a tour. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the room I'm already in. So this room is me and Tommy's room. And we have beds. Then it's the bathroom. This looks nice. Like, look at that. Oh, that's me. But bathroom, real cute. Shower head, nice. This is another bedroom. And you walk out. This is like a living room area. They're still cleaning. Nice little welcome sign. Pool table. This is the front door. So it's your front entrance. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like walking in. Like that. They're still cleaning. Couches. That's nice. Then it leads it to another bedroom. Bedroom of 2. That's me. Did I ever show y'all my hair? Oh my god, look how long it is. You know? Nice hair length. 42 inches, you better recognize. Okay, so now we're going to the bathroom in this room. And this bathroom has a washer and dryer. You need to know what I said. Another mirror, your girl. So, then we're going to walk out. Oh, look. It's a nice little mirror right here. So I actually forget to show y'all a room. And it's a room coming this way. And this is it. And then when you walk in here, it's another bathroom. I like these mirrors in here, yo. It's mad cute. So yeah. Bro, nice. This is also, well, it was open when we got in here, but this is a towel room. Okay, it's like has all the towels, beach towels and stuff like that, etc. In there. They locked there, I guess, because they done clean. Already showed y'all that room. Alright guys, so now let's go outside. Eep. Ooh. Ciao. Look at that. Pool. Nice blue water. We gotta see if it's cold. It's cold. It's cold, yeah. Very nice. That's like a step ladder over there. Nice little chill out spot. Then we walk in this way. And look at this. I'm in love with this, but it looks mad uncomfortable. Like, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. And then they do have a shade spot over here, which they should have something under, like a chair or something. But it's whatever. And yeah, a grill. And now we're coming back in. And the last thing I need to show y'all is the kitchen. This is the cups we bought. So cute. I think I really want a green one. Real nice. We bought candy as well, because we gonna have to yeah, do something with that. Sink, I'm kind of in love with it. It's the culinary kit in me. Let's see how the faucet runs out. Okay, hook it on. Okay. turn it off. They give us some seasonings, some knives, the microwave. Cute. Now we have a fridge. You already know. I don't know what to expect us to put up there. This is Maya. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel right here.
What are you doing with your life? Nothing, obviously.
You're nothing. Right? Nothing. God damn it. So yeah. Ooh, did I detail this? Don't this look like New York?
It probably is.
But we in Miami. I know New York when I see it. Don't play with me. I live there. Huh? Y'all see what she doing?
Trying to drink.
Bro, the sink don't drain? Oh, there it is.
I know, it's been like that.
Alright, so now I'm about to pick out my outfit for tonight. Get ready because, baby, we got somewhere to go. We just have somewhere to go. Because who comes to Miami and sit down? No. We don't do that. So now I'm about to get ready because I can't go outside looking like anything. So, alright. See y'all when I get ready, or I'm getting ready, whatever we want to call it. Alright guys, so I'm showing you my outfit. It's basically a plain white v-neck crop with these jean shorts that have chains and these like flip-flop heels. Yeah, I'm going for like a minimalistic like black and white look pretty much. These are my accessories, these rings and these earrings, which I'm probably also going to need help putting on. And yeah, we're about to go to Pink Taco, and I was looking at the menu and I was like, bruh, I gotta get this street corn. So I'm gonna give it a try because I never had street corn before, so I'm gonna give it a try. Y'all see that I brought the nose clip back? I'm kind of excited.
I lost all my nose clips on this trip.
So yeah, it's currently 5:34. Reservation is at 7:30. That's pretty much it, and I guess we're on good time basically. Alright guys, so we currently got dressed. Let me give you a little outfit. Okay, like I said, the plain white top, the jeans, and yes. So that's pretty much outfit. Now we about to head down to Pink Taco.
Period.
You shit.
Moelle.
Yo.
Right here. Oh, not Moelle. I thought she was around. Oh no, they all ride together.
Maya.
Me. You're Maya. The first Uber the girls want to go.
Yes. Okay.
Alright guys, we're about to head to Pink Taco. One group of the girls already went in this truck and ours is coming. Alright guys, we made it to Pink Taco. I think I'm gonna get some street corn. And yeah.
How is guacamole an appetizer?
Alright guys, this is my drink. I also got some street corn. I already ate half of it. That drink slaps on fire. Alright guys, so my food game, I got the lobster taco with mango habanero on it.
This shit is so fucking good.
Shut the fuck up. So we made it back to the Airbnb, and now we are currently slipping into our bathing suits, because we do have a pool in the back like y'all already saw, and we about to just chill and vibe, and that's pretty much the end of our night. So that was our day one in Miami. Alright y'all, so I just finished making everybody drinks, period. So now we are currently outside and we're about to just have fun. What's up, my vlog? So it is currently 1:30 in the morning, yeah, of my day 2 in Miami, and I'm exhausted. I'm mad tired. We did a lot. Let's sum up what we did. First of all, oh my god. Okay, let's sum up what we did. We came to Miami, partied in Miami, had fun in Miami. Like, that's pretty much what we did. Like,
Why
we didn't
can't
do
I open
anything.
my
We went
eyes?
to
LOL.
Pink Taco. Absolutely delicious. It was so good. Like, so good. I really like that choice. So now it's just basically time to get on to part 2, which is tomorrow. Let me check our itinerary because we have an itinerary. It's real cute. I don't even know if I have showed y'all the itinerary, but let me show y'all. So this is what our itinerary be looking like. Yeah, it's a picture of all of us. Oh, I'm with a bunch of YouTubers. I'm with Tommy, of course, y'all know that's my best friend. Akila, Sierra. Well, some of these people dropped out, but we do have Java. We do have Maya. Dayla, my fault. We do have Dayla, that's me. And we do have Janae. So yeah, tomorrow I'll probably try to get them all to introduce themselves because I totally missed that. I did not do that, but trust me, it's okay. So yeah, so let's go to our day 2 in Miami. So we need to leave out by 11:45 a.m. tomorrow, and we need to go to brunch. It's called La Industria, and whatever, but it's brunch basically. And then after that we're going to Nikki Beach. It's a day party club type feel, so that's what we're gonna do. Honestly, I need to pick out what bathing suit and whatever that I'm gonna wear tomorrow so I can just be prepared, you know what I mean? So yeah, I need to figure that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I came on this vlog to tell you guys good night. I hope you guys sleep well. Like, what's up, my vlogs? Good morning. So it's currently 11:09. We need to be out the door at 11:45. Like I said last night, we are about to head to brunch. So little outfit. Okay, let's see. So I have on this cute little dress. My bathing suit is on under it. It's orange. Cute little cover up. Of course, I'm gonna take this off. I chose a high pony, and I chose the bamboo earrings. Rings to go with it, the nails, shoes. I got these sandals. Cute, aren't I? Cute, aren't I? Anyway, that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said, 11:45 we are leaving out the door and we're about to head to brunch. So see y'all when we get to brunch. Alright y'all, so I don't know if I showed y'all the bag I'm carrying. This is what I'm carrying. So I pretty much look like this. Had to bring a towel, you know. And I think now we're about to just start heading down now. Alright y'all, so we made it to the brunch place, but we have to wait for it. We have to wait about an hour. So now we're just walking around. It's like a mall strip place, kind of, sort of ish, and we're just like in a perfume store right now. Period.
Can you sign for me, dear? But only one time.
We just ordered food. Alright guys, my food came. I got cheesecake. I got strawberry cheesecake pancakes and some eggs, and I also got some bacon. But I'm just wondering when they'll get here. But yes. Alright guys, so we are at Nikki Beach, and that's on Per. Yes. 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 Anyway, it's nice. See you guys in a little bit. What's up guys? So I'm currently laying in my bed. Some of the girls are still out, some of us are in. It was a pick or choose kind of night, and I chose in because we have to get up and get out like super early tomorrow for another activity, and I didn't have the energy nor the strength, so I made a executive decision and I chose to go in. But it is currently, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock in the morning. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, that's about it. This is our day 2 of Miami. We actually did go to eat out on the strip again today, but Moelle forgot her camera indoors and then record none of that. I'm sorry. I mess up sometimes, you know, but I promise you I didn't get nothing but like some 2 pieces of crab cakes. It wasn't nothing. It tasted good, but they didn't really do anything extravagant to me. Well, they did have these big margaritas, but I honestly just don't remember the name, guys. That's truthfully it. Guys, this is my first time doing lash extensions. Like I said, I don't know if I'm doing good with keeping up with them or not, but I have been in like warm conditions, and you know, warm conditions tend to, you know, loosen the glue up a lot more, whatever, and they have been getting a little wet. You know, Moelle, she can never do stuff as they're supposed to be, but I think they're holding up pretty good. Like I said, first time I ever got them, so I kind of like them, but I know I'm most definitely going to get them redone before I go back to school, because that need to happen. And yes, that needs to get done, because now that I've experienced this lavish lifestyle, I cannot go back. You know what I mean? Like, I'm never touching a pair of strips again. Like, never ever again. So girls out there, if you've ever, if you never experienced the life of extensions, please go try them. You won't regret it. It's the best thing you would have ever did. Now, if you had a reaction to it or something, don't blame me, because that was your decision to go do it. But I'm just saying, that's something you should try. But yeah, pretty much I'm about to go to sleep. We're gonna have to get up early tomorrow, y'all. On day 3 in Miami. Bye. No, I'm not gonna do it. Alright, good morning. It's day 3 in Miami, the last day, the final day that we will be here, and we are just coming from the store because we go on the yacht today, and we just shopped for like everything that we need. We're about to get dressed and stuff, and then we're gonna actually head to the yacht. Today we are all matching. We're wearing blue bathing suits, I believe, so everybody bought like a blue bathing suit, and that's what we're gonna be wearing. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get ready. Alright guys, so we got ready for the yacht. We're wearing all blue like I said. So I got this blue bikini on with this blue cover up. It's a dress, but I just threw these shorts on, so I will have my cover up too. Yeah, decided to do a top bun, got on the clear earrings again, bracelet, Tiffany, necklace. I'm in love. I'm in love. Like the fit. Bought the nose clip back out again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys when we get on the yacht. Alright Alright guys, so we currently just made it to Yacht. Yes, it's pulling up right here. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the yacht. This is a little like room. Here's our bathroom. Then it's another area. Then we're walking. This is a bed. Living room. Then a mirror. And yeah, it's pretty much the yacht. Period.
I'm gonna go over there. Tonight, come with me. I'm scared.
Yeah, let's take our.
We need that little bit for it.
Who you know on a yacht?
Me. Hey, this motherfucker.
Alright guys, so it's currently about 5 o'clock and we just got off the yacht and now guys, I'm so scared. I just got scared when I walked in the door. Okay, I'm about to get my first tattoo. I feel like I need to go first. I do need to go first, but I'm about to get my first tattoo. My stomach just started bubbling. Alright guys, so I'm about to get my first tattoo and I'm really nervous. But I'm a G because I got endless piercing, so tattoos should be the same thing, right?
No.
Shut up. Yo, on the yacht, my face broke out. I'm going through a lot right now. So let me fill out this paperwork and then, you know, we're gonna see where life takes us after that. Alright guys, so I'm getting a Cancer sign and an infinity sign. So now he's like printing out stuff for me to look at. And he's gonna draw it out. You know, the whole shebang. I just don't know how to feel. I think that's my only reaction through this whole process. By the grace of God will get me through it. so I just finished. I took it like a G because you already know what your girl is, little baby, no play. Oh, I just caught a glimpse of myself in a mirror. Okay, so my tattoo. Yeah, I got my first tattoo done in Miami, and that's on period. Nobody can ask me about nothing because you don't even know who you. I'm just talking at this point in time because I feel a little delusional that I just got a tattoo. So Maya just got hers done. Show them, tell them what it says, baby.
It says beauty, happiness, and tranquility.
Ow, ow. Period. Look at those drinks. Ow. I got like shrimp cocktail. Yes, a shrimp cocktail, blue corn chips. She got deviled eggs. Yes, and y'all got popcorn shrimp. Alright, y'all, I'm trying a double egg. That was good. Alright guys, I kind of already digged into my food, but I got the short ribs, some carrots, and yeah, and I'm gonna insert the Instagram video because it's so cool on how they gave it to me. It's in like a little spaceship, if you can see, and they took off the top or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna insert that so you guys can see, but that's pretty much it. So now I'm about to enjoy my food. Y'all, talk to y'all later. Bye.
Honestly, guys, I didn't even finish the recording or none of that. So this is the end, and this is a little montage of us going home. And we were so tired that I didn't even feel like pick up the camera and really recording, guys. I'm sorry.
Good morning. Hi guys. So let's talk a little bit. It's the next day, got off the plane, all that, and now I'm editing this video and realize that I never finished the edit. Look at me, I don't even care because I need to finish this. Like, what? And I realized through the whole video I didn't really tell y'all who I was with because, like I said, they are other YouTubers, so I'm gonna name them out. So we had Tommy, we had Akela, we had Marie, we had Java, we had Dayla, we had Tanaya, and we had Janae. And they're also going to be linked in the description below. Now, let's end this vlog. If you are new here, thank you for watching this whole video. I hope you are new to the family. Please subscribe, like, and comment. But if you're already a vlogger, as you should be, don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next vlog. Bye.